Yeah, if you're still wondering, they do squeak. Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Jordan 4 by Jordan Brand in the Black Cat colorway. These were released on Black Friday, the 28th of November 2025 for the retail price of £190 here in the UK. It comes in a black box with glossy Jumpman branding on the lid and a splatter print all over. The shoes come wrapped in white paper, no accessories come with this pair, but a big shout out to Offspring for releasing a special Black Cat socks that go with this release. But we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Originally released back in 2006, then again in 2020, the Jordan 4 Black Cat is very popular due to its simple design. Like a lot of all black shoes, they are loved for being very versatile and much easier to clean. This 2025 pair feels more of a matte black with a lower grain synthetic nubuck upper. Light graphite hits can be seen on the tongue and insoles, while the only bit of white is the Nike branding at the center of the outsole. The most notable change is the inclusion of the Nike Air at the heel, which looks much better in my opinion and swayed me to pick up this pair because I didn't really care for the 2020 release. On feet I recommend staying true to size. Jordan 4s fit a little snug at the toe, so you might want to go up half a size if you have wider feet. As usual, purchase links with my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment cat to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss. Did you pick these up? Let me know your Black Friday pickup and your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day. If you're still wondering,